up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 We're up all night to get. 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 We're up all night to get lucky. 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 She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 We're up all night to get lucky.
Can we just for one night let the stars decide where we belong? Maybe heaven right now is a devil or angel away. That won't change. Together we vow that our colors will sparkle the flame. And I will find you. I will find you. I will reach you. Together we vow that our colors will sparkle the fade. And I will find you. I will find you. I will reach you. I will lose my mind. I didn't know that I was broken until I found my missing piece. It seemed like every door was closing on me. You were so far out of reach. Drunk on the night, you got lips like your wine. I got nothing but time for you. Feeling so high on that look in your eyes. I got nothing but time for you. I believe that loneliness is my disease. I believe that you are the remedy. That you are the remedy.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Get ready to rumble!
Pump up the jam, yo, pump it up, yo, pump it.
Y'all ready for this?
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Give it up, go.
Welcome to the big show. Simply wait.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. See, 'cause that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight. Make my day. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight. Make my day. Pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Jam. Pump it up, up.
At the 25, breaks a couple of tackles. Headlock, go! Headlock, go! He could go all the way.
Hey, you, get out of our way because today is the day we will put you away.
It's fun to stay in the YMCA.
slam now.
What's up, team? How we doing? It is Thursday. It just seemed like it was last Thursday. It was the last trading day of the week. How does time fly by this fast? What the hell? The hell? What in the hell? It was just last Thursday. I mean, time flies by. My mom's birthday's tomorrow. I mean, like, what in the farts? Gotta get her a birthday present. Kind of keep forgetting about that. Might want to get that today while I'm out. I'm actually gonna put a reminder in right now before I forget, because I am running some errands this afternoon, and I'm gonna get Mom a present. All right. All right. Got that in there. You got that in there. All right, so what do we got here, team? How you doing? I don't know, Cousin Greg. I'll just always go to the Hallmark store here. It's called June's Hallmark. I just go to the June's Hallmark store. My mom loves it. I just find something new every year. You know, like, oh, dang, I kill it every time. I'm like, I have no idea. I just walk in and I'm just like, gotta find something for Mom. This is the place. Oh, dang. She already got something like that. Okay, that's up there. All right, you're on the list. Oh, you're on the list too. I like you. Oh, fuck y'all. Damn, I'm getting this for Mama. Yeah, baby, I found it. All right, she gonna love this cross, man. She only got about 47 crosses, but hey, another one to the wall. Yeah, well, they're called like June's Hallmark. I don't know if they're actually but yeah, oh yeah, they're called like June's Hallmark. Oh yeah, bro. You get you those Hallmark cards. Let's see here. Good, a Christmas ornament itself. Nah, she will love it. She loves that stuff. Oh yeah, for sure. But yeah, Christmas ornament just happens. Mom, I'll tell you right now. I know my mom. My mom would not love that. She would be like, I mean, she would give me the like, oh, it's so cute. But I know my mom. She'd be like, nah, like, bro, it just was Christmas, and like, I want something I can sell. Like, I got her these cute shoes a couple years ago that I got Avery, blah, blah, blah. She made a comment, so I got her these shoes. Every time I see my mom, because she knows she's going to see me, she has those shoes on. She wears those over the Yeezys. My mom is not taking a puppy. Are you kidding me? At 6, well, they're retired. Oh, man. Cash is king. Give cash to the mom. I love your guys' ads. This is hilarious. What's the PG, high-minded, low life? New England Trader, you're welcome, baby girl. Justin Gill, how you doing? Nuno, Cousin Greg, Taft's in chat. Will's in chat. Who we got? Concrete Traders in chat. We got Trader J out there in Louisiana. Cousin, we got H. Reed here giving me a hard time saying, get your ass in chat, you slowpoke. Let's see who else we got. Hoops the Trade. T. Mitch was in chat. T. Mitch, like, also, like, where you at? I'm like, bro, I do me. Like, I will get here. I like that. That's me. I am fashionably late. Maybe not fashionably. I'm wearing my pink shirt I meant to wear last week for Easter, or even on Monday that I forgot. Roman in chat, if you're still out there. Coldplay, Finsta. Anyway, Paula was in here earlier. D. Sarley, I see you typing. Love Chip was in here earlier. All right, here we go. What else we got here? What else we got? Run on the bank chapping. B. Kills in chat. Who else we got in chat this morning? Mr. Boppy himself. Thomas Torn Trader. We got the whole crowd. We got Rick C. We got Lone Wolf. We've got MLM. We've got Giovanni. We've got Cisco. We've got Ro. We're all here, baby. Myron, what's up? You're welcome. Yeah, Cattle. You got it, baby. I told you we would get one. I told you. And we got one. So Cattle here, great short. I located shares on this second tweezer top. It did tweezer top. It did tweezer top times 2. Oh, and I feel bad because we really could have banked this morning, team. There's the opening bell. All right, so real quickly, let's break down these plays. I know we're having fun. SPY is up on jobless report this morning. A lot of the time when we spike up, we then come back down. But these plays still do like they reek of they want to go. Be kill! Hoops to trade! Tell me you ain't making money! Who told you to hold? Who told you? Who? Come on, sing!
Come on, swing.
get a 10-cent? You better tip me 10 cents. 10 cents, baby. Because that's all my knowledge is. Oh! And I am not looking to trade at the bell today, by the way, team. Oh my good golly. Good like sun kissed. Make me want to know who done this. I'm Marky Mark. Ah! What a move. I'm sitting on my hands. I'm waiting for a setup. Small cap plays, same. I don't have anything to look for right now. TCBP as this is popping back on up. Watch for TCBP. Oh, well, here it comes. Here it comes, popping right up. And I was gonna say, watch it pop into that upper VWAP band here, team. Watch for a reversal here at 175 or 275, 270. I don't have shares of short on TCBP. I think that you couldn't on Lightspeed or something. I don't remember. So I'm waiting on cattle. And I will possibly, I know, Paulie, you asked me, not pre-market, but in market, I would look to short cattle again. I was just being goofy earlier, as far as just, because not at the time. But we have more volume now. So cattle is also on watch to me as well. So, we got TCBP here. So now oh my good golly, we're having fun. Boy, it's going to be a fun one today. It's going to be a fun one. Woo! Pullbacks on large caps. Let's go through these real quickly. Again, this is why I'm sitting on my damn hands. So we got Apple reversal. We got AMD reversal. I told you a lot of the time when we go up in pre-market, that's why it was so hard for me to determine, are we going up, up, up? Are we going to have just because we've gone up? And what happens a lot in pre-market, when you go up this much, you usually typically don't go up too much more. I don't know what the deal is, but it seems about 70% of the time that you go up a good $2, but in the hour before the opening bell, you just don't have any power when the opening bell comes. Hey, trades, how we doing? You got it, though. Let's see. We're anxious to see them. Hey, I love it, though, cousin Greg. I'm glad you're ready to see me. J Mario, too loud. Then turn the volume down. I'm not like Dex Lobby, where you have to turn me up. You got to turn me down, and that's the way I want it. Hey, Tree, let's see how you. Let's see. There you go. Good. Do it. Hoops to trade 300% on Meta. Gee golly. So yesterday, team, real quickly on Meta, it was B Kill. So B Kill, I'm sure people like Hoops were happy that you asked this question. Yesterday, B Kill came over during lunch hours, which I go live from 12 to 2 p.m. Eastern. That would be 11 to 1 p.m. my time Central. And I told B Kill, as long as you do not crack 502, right, B Kill, remember that? I said you guys were good to go if you hold 502. If you hold 502, you're good. If you don't, get out. Because he asked about the swing. Yesterday at lunch, B Kill had the foresight, or maybe it was I think it was at lunch, but it may have been in the morning session. I can't remember B Kill, but it was either in the morning or it was at lunch. And I said, I don't remember if you remember B Kill, but whammy! Awesome! And literally, just golly, beautiful. Because this was my play at opening bell yesterday. I was paying attention to Tesla. Should have been looking at Meta for the squeeze. 2 days in a row, Meta. Good God, Meta. Don't do this to me! The day I wait for setups, we actually get movement at the bell. TCBP is in this beautiful flag right here, team. This is a gorgeous bullish flag, high of day, over VWAP. Next resistance is at 315. Over 315, this has room up to 365. I will put the resistance lines in now. I already have 315 in. There is your 360 line. We are in a beautiful flag right now at the opening bell. Plenty of volume. The mob is here. We're not anywhere else. I was hoping cattle would form more of a trend line through the VWAP. It just went right to the VWAP. If I would have, it'd have been like perfect resistance. My old, it sucks. There's a great short though, right? I talked about this earlier. Myron, I know, got it. Others, Astro Trader in chat. Other people in chat got this. High-minded, low life. I said under the VWAP at 225. Why did I say that? Anyone was wondering? This upper shadow met that lower shadow, and I was like, if we crack that, I just don't see that we will. And we were. I was right at first. Came down, formed a shelf, then came up. Wasn't too worried. Long as we fell at the VWAP, which we did. Came down, bounced again. Saw the shelf at 220 in chat. I almost alerted, and I figured most of you probably would have known and saw it, but my alert was about to be team 220 shelf crack. This thing's done. And then whammy. So let's go back over to anything popping up here. NOTV. What the hell's going on here? NOTV. Oh, we got TCBP here. Oh, we're going to go back to this. I want to go back to this because of the squeeze pattern. TCBP because of the squeeze pattern. I'm looking at large caps. Tesla, let's go through some of these large caps real quickly. If you have any questions, let me know. I am waiting for a setup to trade today. But we are getting some bigger movement here right before the bell and at the opening bell on some of these plays. I'm going to go through them real quickly to see if I see anything. Sorry, hold on real quickly. Meta's been by far the best. Son of a shart. Man, quick red to green move there. Jeez. Netflix. Oh, hoops to trade. Hoops. First off, hoops to trade. Did you like your morning alerts? Your morning alert this morning. First off, hoops to trade. Did you like your morning alert this morning? A little shout out to you. Did you get that? And secondly, did you trade NFLX? Please tell me you did, because I talked about this in the morning alerts. I said I actually alerted for the first time in week plus Netflix for the squeeze up today. So that's nice. That's moved. What's NVDA done? Choppy. Wait for NVDA team. There's no trade right there. Let's go to SMCI. Woo! SMCI, nice little pop again here at the start of the day. Wait, there's nothing I'm seeing right now starting up on these plays, team. If anything, we're just popping up and building these little flags out to the right or having red to green moves. This is another one I saw that had a good dump of Ruski. Tesla team. Gee, golly. Beautiful pullback there and short. So we've had some good moves here at the opening bell. Was not anticipating. And wanted to sit back and honestly sit on my hand. Spy sitting out to the right. Q's with a little bit of a move up. Look at the downtrend break. Q's are rolling. I know that's Young Jedi and other traders in chat love trading the Q's and Q. Who else? I forgot who else trades the Q's in chat. But man, there you go. I talked about this in my morning alerts as well to possibly set all-time highs today. So that's moving up pretty nicely. Go over to Meta. Just look at this flag real quickly. I'm just looking to find a setup. There's not usually in the first 7-8 minutes going to form one. Good job, CR Trader. Good job. Damn, dude. Good job, man. TCBP. Good job, boss. Beautiful there, CR Trader. B-Kill. Oh, you're good, B-Kill. I was joking, but hey, I'll no worries, but now I'll just give me 10 cents. What's up, man? How's the market? What's up, SD Flip, man? Right now, it's great. Bullish. Waiting on a setup. I really wish I would have traded Meta at the opening bell, but I was going to sit on my hands. Great squeeze. Talked about this in my morning alerts. I just saw the SPY not do much. NVDA kind of the same thing. You saw some plays get a little choppy. Then there are plays like Tesla and Meta that have had great moves at the opening bell. So you've got Meta here from 516 up to 23? That's a $6-7 damn move at freaking in a blink of an eye. You've got Tesla here. I know it's not as much, but still nice. $2 dump at the opening bell. NFLX was actually another one here that I alerted my morning alerts watching for a squeeze up to that 237.50, possibly 240. And I said if it does, or 630, I should say 635 was my breakout over 635 for that move up, and we're getting it. And then again, not a lot, but a little bit. Another one that I know Iggy was looking at this morning. I am not a micro cap trader. I don't typically ever like their movement. But if you can get shorts, watch under 50 cents here. Beautiful shelf that's been built up. Have not cracked it in quite a while. For the long side, if, again, of course, you can't short and you want to go long, watch for that to bounce one more time possibly, although I'd be scared for a head and shoulder. She'll shoulder and then a head, maybe point being a head and shoulders to form below the VWAP. Not a good sign, very bearish, and we're forming that right now. So I'd be very careful with that bounce. Go smaller, but again, it could form the shoulder, right? So that means there's going to be one more bounce left. So imagine this bounce right here. Other than that, watch for candlestick confirmation over the VWAP 1 minute time frame first. Here we go. So I'd be careful here, but first candle to close and open over that VWAP is where I'd go. I'm just not a big fan of those. I would go TCBP. If you're looking to go long, there's a reason why Concrete, or was it CR Trader made $700 right there on TCBP, and maybe, I don't know, that may have been short CR Trader, but regardless, this is your play. You've got this nice cup and handle forming right now, team. I'm going to put that in chat, TCBP, cup and handle forming. So we got cup and handle forming, cup and handle forming, cup and handle forming, cup and handle forming, watching for that squeeze. Cup and handle forming, watching for that squeeze. Cattle is popping up again, which is good. So we do have cattle to new high of day. So cattle is at new high of day as well. There we go, TCBP resistance areas. 315, then what was it, 370? Was it 370? Was it 370? 360. Boom, bam, boom, bam. What do we got? Making sure I don't miss anything. What's up, Rooster? Rooster, good to see you in chat. I feel like I should have a mustache today for you, boss. Hoops, I did. I was holding Meta, so... Oh, okay. Oh, okay, good, though. That's awesome, though, bro. Good job, Hoops. B-Kill, what do we got here? B-Kill. Nice, boss. 637. Nice, man. 637. That's beautiful money. That's beautiful money, my man. Good job. I'm so happy and proud of you guys. Meta was money. Yes, good job. Yes, MLM. Yes. That was definitely the play of the day so far. Right now, sitting on my hand. Sit. Not finding anything that I love. Besides TCBP. I wish I love breakouts like the way I love shorting team, but TCBP, there you go. TCBP, baby. There you go. Good job there, BQ. BQ, good job, boss. And CR Trader, I saw you typing. I don't know if you were going long or short there, but either way, great job. And if you're going long, you're really banking on this. Let's go over here. I'm going to take, since I'm looking at, I don't know what I'm going to look at over here. I'm going to go to Meta just for now so I can take Meta. Microsoft, even nice little red to green move here. Big spike up at the opening bell here, kind of right afterward. SPY still gross and pretty choppy. If you're looking to trade the SPY team, watch for the 523 crack. And I will look too short the SPY because we have a lot of room to run down under 523, under 523 to 522.85. Under 522.85, that really should start giving some ground to crack back down to through the 522 area. So watch for this. We do have some room to crack back. Let that build up. I do like SPY, but give it some time. I do like SPY. Give it some time. TCBP here. Where's the upper VWAP band? It's up to 330. Not going up too much. Look where we started popping right here, team. See how we have this beautiful flag, like I talked about, formed. And overall, with the flag, you have what? A cup and handle. A cup and handle. Are you kidding me? At high of day area. This is a great long every time. Now, again, you got to get in and get out. You're not wanting to just take this forever. You know, you're scalping this 20, 30 cents at a time. Unless you're in low for somehow you got this U-shape reclaim the VWAP, and you're in down here candlestick confirmation over the VWAP, which would have been a great entry. I don't take longs. This is more of a short for me, but that's how I trade my shorts. Right there is where I would have entered for the short side, right? For the move right here, essentially down but not up. Taking profit into where, which at my point would have been low of day for a short. For you guys, for longs would have been high of day. So you're out half there. Then then you can scale out a quarter here, and you're still in a quarter for that next possible squeeze up. Got it? Makes sense? All right, so watch for this too, team. I know I just alerted. I'm going to put this in Dex lobby. I'm going to put it in your lobby as well. I see. I'm just calling it your lobby. It's just your lobby now, team. Team, get them. CR Trader, get the morning alerts. I appreciate it. Bank 602 in 3 minutes. Continue to squeeze. Thanks to there you go. Awesome. Good job, CR Trader. That's awesome. I always forget because I know some people mention it a lot, but I sometimes forget who all has the morning alert. So I love when you guys come in and give me a shout out. It means a lot to me, honestly. I'm doing my best to make sure you guys can bank and make money. I'm not doing this for any other reason. I mean, I'd be charging like $100 for those stupid things or something. I'd be some asshole and be like, come buy my cologne that costs $250 for a 3-ounce bottle. You're like, what? Like, who are you? I don't know you, dude. You're going to charge how much for this shit? Like, no. Like, I want it to be, I want, just want it to be manageable. That you guys, because I know the world we live in now, all the subscription services from Tradecast, blah, 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 and all the stuff you pay for in the world we live in now. So I want it to be some small little monthly thing that it doesn't cost you guys much, but you can easily get it every morning, and you easily should be banking from them. So, and if not, that's fine. I understand, and not everyone does. But anytime you need help, team, I'm telling you, those morning alerts, I'm breaking down small to large cap plays. As they pop up, in small caps to short them or go long, then I start breaking down large cap plays. So then at the opening bell, you know what to be looking for. You've got your level set. You can then trade. You don't have to really stress out as much anymore, in my opinion. And I needed that early on. Another reason I do all this stuff I do, like the one-on-ones or the morning alerts, I needed this when I first started. I needed confirmation. I call it relation confirmation now. Like say I put a line here at 315 as I see resistance there. You're like, oh shit, I had a line at my line at 315, 320. You're like, damn, I'm right there too, right? That boosts your confidence. That makes you feel better that you can start trading a little bit more. You can start believing in yourself and in these levels. It's the reason I do what I do. Like, so if I give you alerts in the morning, I say resistance or support here, and you've got a line of resistance or support there, it makes you feel great. You're like, hell yeah, okay, I'm getting this, right? That's what I do that for. Besides you just having simplicity of, hey, now I know what to trade and when to trade, feel a little more confident. That's going to make you even more confident when your lines match up with mine. I get that a lot too. Like, hey, Cabell, I get your morning alert, blah, blah, blah. I had this line match up. Man, that made me feel so good. And it should. Not that I'm the one, but because you're doing something right. So that's why it should feel good. Looking for, yes, sir, BKL. I know we were talking about it. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Thoughts on SPY. GG, right now. Yeah, thoughts on SPY. The one thing I do like on the SPY right now is the 523 crack back on down. Not a lot of room to start off with. I think we will just run down to around the 2285 mark, 2280 mark. But once that cracks, I think we really start to pull back. Maybe we sit at 2270, 75. But if that cracks, we're through 2250 and in down to the low 22s. Now, is there a lot to move right now in the SPY? No, you can just chill. And I'm always like, what have you done for me lately? So really for the past almost 30-ish plus minutes now, we have a bottom of 23 and a top of 23.70-ish, right? 23.60. That's not a lot of movement. That's 60 cents that we've moved up and down over the past, almost really go back even further, almost over the past hour, right? So you want to be a little cautious when trading at least a SPY. I mean, you go over and at least get the QQQs here, right? I mean, that's had a little more movement up, but still kind of flat, right? So there's some plays that have movement, in my opinion. You know, Tesla had great movement down, and damn, now there's a trend line crack, a new low of day. Nothing too crazy. Meta was great at the opening bell, but we're starting to get that kind of, if you didn't move at the opening bell, we're getting that, where are we going? And that's what I'm waiting for a setup to form and trade that next best setup. Oh, AM Dizzles. Wow, AMD here with a big pullback. Not that I love chasing these bounce plays. That's what I feel like they are at this point, 3 levels below. But watch for a bounce here at 79.85. 79.85 on AMD. Yesterday bounce, lower VWAP band is trying to curl out and bottom out right here. Let's see if we don't get that. Of course, TCBP here, team. In the 1 minute time frame, go back to it. You can tell we're in the same kind of a flag setup. This one was prettier because it was getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. Kind of more of a pennant flag. And I love pennant flags, my friends and family. They usually get a bigger move when they are the ones that get her tighter, and they're getting tighter and they're getting tighter. Can you post the morning alerts? Yes. So here you go. If you need any help, and here's the link. Of course, I kind of explain it again. Boom. Make sure you download WhatsApp as well, because that's where right out of the morning. That's when boom, I wake you up in the morning. So download WhatsApp. Make sure you have it. I start sending those alerts right there early in the morning as soon as I start seeing small cap trades to take. I wake your ass up and say, get up, let's go, money to be made, get ready. Even legendary famous traders have a team that consult on trades. Nothing wrong with another set of eyes. $30 a month is freaking, yes, right? Yes, exactly. And I consult no one. This is the team. Well, I guess I do meet Thanos every Sunday, you know, before I do my morning or my weekly preview. I meet with Thanos. He shows me the crystal ball. I get literally every week 3 minutes to look at the crystal ball, scope every single play I can. So I've got to find small caps, I've got to find mid caps, I've got to find large caps, and then I've got to break them all down. I'm getting better and I'm getting faster at soaking up 3 minutes of the ball. But it's hard. The past week, my lines have been within a few years has given me, there you go, exactly, right? It's real, yeah, exactly. It is. It's what happened to me early on Hoops to Trade. I'm like, yay, this is working. My lines are actually matching up now. Done from, in Marty Z, I just saw that. AMD, I just know. That's what I'm saying. I'm only on a certain amount of plays here. You know, I'm like, geez. Can you check out Dell? Yeah, I can check out Dell. I will say I like Meta as well here. Here comes that bounce. I'm telling you, that may have been all over that bounce. Meta, I do like Meta. Please bounce off the VWAP. I like Meta for a short op team. So Meta under the VWAP and under that 520 shelf being built in here, I do like Meta for the short opportunity. So Meta, keep that on high watch. Don't worry, I'm about to get to Dell. I'm about to get to Dell. I would be doing Friday's expiration date, 520 puts. 520 puts, Friday's expiration date. Why? Because that's my mom's birthday. Can I check out Dell? How much more in this? Well, obviously, maybe not much more, Taff. Maybe not too much more. That is a massive double top tweezer in a 1 minute time frame. Even in a 3 minutes, probably going to be a nice upper shadow. Well, it is still a tweezer top. So nice. Look at that. That is huge. Tweezer tops are great. That's the reason why I wanted to short cattle this morning on the tweezer tops that it formed right here. What's hard to see in a 3 minute, but in a 1 minute time frame, then really just go ahead and go in a 3. Look at the tweezer top, 1 and 2, and she's done. She got smacked down like Charlie Brown. So that's what I'm always looking for. I love those tweezer tops. Secondly, just go as of right now. That might be it for the day. I mean, that's a huge pullback, Taff. I would say that's going to be high of day. 5 to 10% chance, honestly, 5 to 10% chance that it eclipses that. I could see it 25 to 30% chance, Taff, that it actually double tops and touches it again. No, that's moved down to like 15%. That's the high of day. That's it, Taff. Sorry I was a little late to the party there, and I know even kind of you were like, okay, how much more can this go? At 47 after right here. Wow, in the 3 minutes since you asked that, bro. You kidding me? $3 dump? Attention trader. That's it, mic drop. Hey, there you go, Cousin Greg. That should just be it. Yes, Gert, love them flags. Tight. Yeah, right, yes. And the tighter the better. It's like me with my trend line or shelf cracks. The more touches, the better. So the more touches up and down, right? So it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter. So it's touching the top, touching the bottom, touching the top. That's a lot of touches on the top and the bottom and forming that flag, you know? So it's these flags that go to the right, they may not touch up and down and over. These do. Pennant flags, they just and get as tight as they can in there. Woo! Woo! Got Daddy Duty make the market go sideways. Okay, Cisco, I will. Meta, bounce up just a little bit. We got to wait a little bit on the short, okay? Meta, bounce the hell up. Bounce up, you asshole. Big pullback on the SPY, or not SPY, NVDA here, though, team. This is another one kind of like AMD so far for the day. Let's go real quickly over to AMD. And we're in. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this artwork. Look at this artwork. Look at this artwork. This is how awesome my lines are. I have not looked at AMD over here on trade ideas for the day. Look at this area and look how perfect. Look, you would think I made this support and resistance just looking at it today. This is what I say for the longest time. Put your lines in a trade. I've said this since 2019 or 2020. No lie. It seems like I've said it since a year. It seems like that's all it's been, but it's been 5 or 4 years now I've been saying this, team. Put your lines in and trade them. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about. AMD, that lower VWAP band's going down. Okay, whichever one you want, team. AMD or Meta, take your poison picker. Take your pick. I may try to do both here. AMD here, candlestick confirmation under 179.90. Watch for that to crack down and start going down for some more. Under that 179.90 mark and under 179.75, this could get nasty on AMD. Meta is the other one I really like a lot. So Meta is the other one under the VWAP at 520. That's the one I like the most. If you like AMD, take AMD. Both of these are on high, short, watch potential. Meta's bouncing up just a little bit right now. Yeah, NVDA just dumping. NVDA just thumper dumping right now. SPY finally getting a little bit of that crack like I talked about. SPY right here, team. SPY right here like I talked about. The one trade, GG. I don't know if you got it in others. Here we go, finally. And where did I say it would probably hang up at? Somewhere in this area. And we're absolutely doing that. But if and when we crack this 2270 area, buy. This is going to also be a good short. 25-40 cents, just like that. This is another one I'd be looking to short. Meta's popping back up. So what I'm going to do is come over here to SPY now and look to trade SPY. If we do crack that shelf, I would be going with tomorrow, Friday's expiration date with those 522 puts. 523 puts. Either way. And if you want to, for more money, you can do today if you want to. You can definitely do today if you want to for more money. You definitely probably make a little more money if you go with today's. All right, what do we got here, SPY? Meta, new high of day. So there you go. Shit and bananas. There you go, freaking Cisco. There you go. Well, we're not getting that short, are we, Johnny? It's going up. Watch that just go up all day. AMD, here we go. AMD, did anyone take AMD? I wanted freaking Meta. Here goes AMD. I'll wait for SPY. I'm going to wait for the SPY right here, team. 522.70 is the crack joint. 522.70 is that crack joint. Yeah, Meta, and I talked about this in my morning alerts. I talked about Meta in my morning alerts to you guys. I said, do not be surprised if this hits all-time highs. Does anyone in chat have my morning alert ultimate high of day? I think my ultimate high of day was just essentially, was it testing all-time highs, right? I think my normal high of day was 520, and my ultimate high of day was 523, whatever all-time high is, 523, 50, 60, or whatever it is. 523, that's what I thought, MLM. That's what I thought. I just had that gut that this was going to go today. I just had that gut that this one was going today. The upper and lower VWAP bands are starting to spread apart just a little bit on Meta, but not a ton. This could, though, hit up right over 424 or 524. Just over 524 could be on watch for Meta. Zero day. That's a good one. That'll make you chuckle. What happened there? Did you get the Looks like a looks like a DT on Meta. Downtrend break on Meta, like a downtrend break, maybe possibly. Is that what you're talking about? Mine was just, I'd be more of a channel, you know, with support at 520, resistance at 522.35 or so. There was a slight downtrend. To me, it's more of it's more of a horizontal channel, out to the right. Oh, gotcha. You allow up, yeah, downtrend. Well, it's a DT means downtrend to me. So anytime I see downtrend, I'm going down. I'm thinking downtrend. I'm watching SPY here, team. AMD, what about AMD? B-Kill, you in it? Nice little small short for now. It's slow and steady. It's so far down. That's why I think SPY is going to be a better one. AMD is already down so much, so I'm a little worried and hesitant on shorting it that far down. Where SPY and Meta are higher up. Oh, I know those acronyms. I know. like double top. That's what's, yeah. That's the one thing. We need like an acronyms list. Double top should be D-top. Go D-top. D-top for double top. DT for downtrend. Oh, man. SPY, be ready, team. Be ready right here, team. If I see under 522.70, I'm going in. It just bounced off 522.70. It just bounced off 522.70. If I see anything in the 60, like the 522.60s, I'm going to jump in here. Waiting for this move down on the SPY. Oh, there we go, team. We're starting to get it. Starting to get it right here, team. I'm going to start entering in slowly but surely here, 5 contracts at a time. Here we go, team, slowly but surely getting that pullback on the SPY. Watch for this to go down to 22.50. Watch this go down to 22.50. I'm in a total of 15 contracts right now on the SPY. If we crack 22.50, that's where I'll go in another 15 contracts. The one thing I don't like about how sometimes slow the SPY could be, so I want this to get a good pullback for us down to 22.50 here. There we go. We want this to work fast. We don't want this to be a slow and steady play. AMD as well. AMD as well. There's your little kind of double top. AMD, nice little pullback if you took it. AMD, nice little pullback if you took it as well. See SPY here kind of doing this. Is the reason I don't like trading the SPY a lot, kind of doing this hanging around thing. I love plays that just slowly and then, then dump off right here. This is fine. AMD's fine. Kind of works for a minute and then you get that big sell-off. That's what we're looking for here on the SPY. I described DT as cousin Greg. Still have the 520 crack, VWAP crack on Meta. Still have the 520 VWAP crack on Meta. Candlestick confirmation will help out too on the SPY, waiting for that in the 3-minute time frame. So we'll go to the SPY here in the 3 minutes, see what we do and where we confirm at. Will be another crucial thing here, which we're about to confirm here in about 30 seconds at the top of the hour. So keep that on high watch. AMD continue to go down. Take profit on AMD, team, down to 179. If this gets down close to 179, take profit on AMD. Not liking what SPY's doing right here with this lower shadow. We did get some pullback like I was looking for. We did not get the continuation down to 50. If this confirms here, which it's about to, it needs to stay as a red candle, and I'll stay in it. If it turned, okay, it's a red candle, I'll stick into this. But if that turned into a green candle, I was about to take out. It's red, I'm going to stick into it. My stop loss on SPY will be that 9 EMA right around that 99, should say the 22.95ish or so mark. 22.95 mark or so. 22.98, something like that. See if we get the reversal off the 9 EMA back on down. This is exactly why I don't trade the SPY a lot. Just want to get a trading with you guys because besides these big opening bell movements, which some of these have been honestly a little choppier other than Meta is going to be a good short in my opinion. I'm waiting for that to be next as well. So Meta under 520 and the VWAP would be the other trade I'm looking for today. Other than that, we're getting this kind of the sideways slower movement. Small cap plays, I wanted a short cattle again. There just never really became a great setup, as you can tell. Kind of gross. TCBP, we'll keep this one on watch. It hasn't done a lot, but I would say watch under that 270 mark, if you do have shorts, under that 270 mark for the short opportunity. SPY's popping back up right here at my stop loss, so it has to confirm over it, and I'll get out. If it does not, I'm waiting for the reversal here at this 9 EMA. It's what I'm looking for. It's right into the 9 EMA right now, as you can see. That's what my blue line is of support. Or my blue line is of, yeah, on my chart right here is my 9 EMA. Right at the VWAP as well. 10 a.m. coming up, yep. So waiting to see if that's what we get here. I mean, we just got that, so that's what I'm seeing. If we get, this is that one small pop and move up. Marty. And then the reversal back off this area, back on down. Meta here, team, is on high watch as well. So Meta here on high watch as well, team. So Meta's on high watch as well. Those 520 puts, keep that on high watch as well here, team. Meta. Yep, and I'm watching TCBP. Watching TCBP. I'm watching TCBP as well. Watching TCBP as well. For you guys. Yep, that 315 is super strong. 315 is super strong. Meta right back off my 320 area. So this may be the one that pays out the best here, team. This one may be the one that pays out the best. Looking gorgeous so far for that shelf buildup is Meta. This one's looking really good. As far as other small caps are concerned, ALUR, my bad. ALUR, it's up a decent amount for the day. It's just really low volumes, to be careful with it. Everything else is really dead, in my opinion. TCBP is going to be the one small cap play I think that runs and goes surging today. So watch TCBP. Watch TCBP. Yes, I like it, Sean. Yes. But it needs to squeeze soon, and it's got to hold this 270 mark. If it does not hold that 270 mark, it is going to, you know what. So if it doesn't hold 270, watch out. Watch out. Yeah, just very low volume, boss. See, that's so, man, that is so weird. I'm like, alerting plays that you ask about, I'm not even looking at chat. It's just very low volume, man. Really low volume, so you have to be careful of that. And with low volume, bigger float play of around 30 mil, you're gonna get a little of this inconsistency, in my opinion. So you have to be really careful. So just be really careful with that. It's running into the moving averages here as well. 50, it's got to stay above that. Oh my God, 270 as well. So if this doesn't hold 270, I think ALUR also goes down, boss. Marty Z. Oh yeah, I'm still in, boss. Yep. Still in. Long as it stays below the 9, my man. Long as it stays below the 9 EMA. You got it, Trevor. And I'm waiting for Meta. Waiting for this guy named Meta. He usually gives me a big pocket full of cheddar. Yeah, this is exactly. I love this. This is just a great example of why I don't trade the SPY most times, because this is what the SPY gives you. You'll get your maybe 2 or 3 good moves out of the day. Otherwise, you get this a lot of the time, and so it's all good. I know we cracked an area that I still like and feel we should go down. And that's why I did my mom's expiration date. I really almost went out to next week, but I thought we'd get more of that pull, and we did really quickly right away. I was actually up, obviously, right out of the gate. I was right, and was up. It just didn't quite get through my area, and now we're dealing with this slow and steady chop. I'll probably give it like 5-10 more minutes, and if it doesn't give me what I want here at about 20 after, I'll just cut it. I'm not a big fan of just holding on. I'll just cut the play. I'd rather just chase. I'd rather just go over to Meta and concentrate, I should say, on Meta than sit here in this play and wait for it to dump. That'd be one thing if I had expiration date of like next Friday or something. NKLA, you want me to break it down for you, boss? Is that what you want? Fresh Prince of Bel Air, the Fresh Prince of NKLA, and LA here. What do we got? What do we got? Nothing here. I'm trying to go back to the other day here. There we go. There's some resistance. I would say little barcodey at times has right where we're at now, right around 103 to 105 resistance. Over 105, it's got resistance at 109. Over 109, watch for a pop up to 115. Slower play is NKLA. A little bit slower play. Any stocks you want me to break down, let me know. You know what I'm looking for. I'm waiting on Meta. Still in SPY right here, the slow and steady guy. Any stocks you want me to break down, I'll look at them. Anything. I mean, I'll even look at stuff like NQ. We'll see what we got over here. Let's go to NQ. Let's just see what we got. NQ here, kind of like with the SPY. Watch for that crack through and down to the VWAP, which would be very crucial. And then through that, we could get that big tug, kind of like we would with the SPY. Again, I'd say back over 18,530. Watch for that spike up to, and then as far as 15,535 area, that could really get up to 8,550. 8,550. Heck, let's go over to ES. Some traders like trading this guy. Same kind of thing. Watch for that bottom crack through VWAP. We'll get big move. Back over those certain key areas, different numbers, but you can see what I'm looking at here for that pop back up to where we are at high of day. Just charting. SMCI, I haven't looked at SMCI. We'll go over it real quickly. Yep, a little choppy right now. Watch for a reclaim of that VWAP one-shot fogey. One shot. Watch for that over 1040 in the VWAP, reclaiming that for a pop-up to 1045, and then it should see close to high of day area after that. Beautiful, and again, what we're looking at here is what? Tweezer top. Bam and boom. Beautiful tweezer top. Look at the move on down for SMCI. Recon trade. Sorry if I missed it. Thoughts on TCBP? Yep. TCBP has got to hold 270. TCBP has got to hold 270. If it does not hold 270, this will crack back on down, most likely at around the 240-ish area. Could get 230. We are getting a little bit tighter in this wedge, but I will say for the most part, boom. And we'll go with bam. Right about right there is going to be your support, beautiful people in chat. And then I will put the downtrend line that I am starting to see form in that we need to get out of and reclaim the full channel, because we haven't really, we're starting to pretty much get into a downtrend. Yikesies. Watch out. Watch it. All right, Spy, I'm going to give you just a few more minutes here. You're just too slow for me right now. Everything's kind of lulling out, kind of sitting sideways. We're getting that pure 45 minutes after the bell kind of look to the stock trades. So I only went in those 15 contracts because with SPY, you just don't know if you're always going to get what you want, my friend. Takes a little bit of its time. Mr. Burns, you got that recon trades, and here we go, team. Watch for a 1-minute candlestick confirmation below that, and we just got it. Yikes, not good. Not good. I would be out of my long. We have this M shape up top. This is now confirmation for shorts to head down to 245 to 230 area. Beautiful short op. Cattle, give me a good short. Come on, squeeze up again or something. We'll run through these plays real quickly, team. See if I'm seeing anything I like. Apple could squeeze possibly to new high of day. I already know I like Meta. AMD just sitting out flat, now forming another bear flag at 79.50. Watch for that 79.50 crack possibly. ARM, do we have anything forming? Nothing I really like. Do we have anything on Goog? Not much. Watch for that bear flag crack of 153.80. Watch for that bear flag crack of 153.80 on Goog. Meta, we are also for sure waiting for this we'll call it 519.70 to VWAP crack on Meta. Microsoft, watch for the same VWAP crack. Watch for a VWAP crack on Microsoft for a short opportunity. Not longs, I'm not liking because those upper VWAP bands are kind of running out flat. Netflix, not liking it at all. NVDA, watch for a reclaim of that of the VWAP and pop up. We do have a trend line forming, so it's either going to be a pop and reclaim of the VWAP up, or it's going to get just over the VWAP or fail at the VWAP and trend line crack. So watch for that. SMCI, I think we just talked about that one as well. Reclaiming that VWAP, kind of the same thing as NVDA. And Tesla, last but not least, really wonky and choppy today overall. I know Finster Coldplay would be alerting it if it was worth trading. ALUR, new high of day. There we go. Slowly but surely. What's up, Alan? How you doing, boss? How you doing, boss? Tesla. I know I get you out. Get you out of the woodworks over there, buddy. Like, where's my boy Finster at? I'll call him out. I'll just bring up this shit play. Again, team, I just want to put this out there for all that are around and haven't heard of this either, but I've been doing like I said, talked about it earlier, those morning alerts, been from small cap to large caps. I'm breaking stuff down all across the board, team, from small to large cap plays, what to be trading at the opening bell, what to be trading in pre-market, what I'm looking to trade, why you should be trading it, giving you resistance and support areas. I've also been doing these one-on-ones with traders over on my website, Prime Trading Investments, for over 3 years now. Have helped out like around 300 traders, and we're talking in and out of chat. Yes, specifically for you guys, but then I help other people outside of chat that I talk to or they hear about it. So if you ever need any help, it's done through Zoom. It's an hour long. You can trade live with me. You can watch me trade live. You know what I mean? If you don't want to just trade with me, you can just watch me, go over stocks, ask me questions. That's what I also do with you. I want to go over your trades, where you see support and resistance. Like, there's just so many things we can do on those one-on-ones. So if you ever need any help, yeah, AMD, I know I should have taken that one, PG. AMD, I should have taken that one. Honestly, I should have taken AMD. I should have taken AMD over SPY. This is why I don't trade the SPY that much. This is kind of a prime example. I'm glad for you guys, really, to show you why I trade stocks like AMD, Meta, Tesla. Well, not Tesla too much, but AMD, Meta, NVDA, what have I also? Google even lately. I will trade that all the time, more so than AMD. And there you go, beautiful crack back on down. Not getting it on my SPY trade, but you are getting it from the alert I gave you guys earlier, watching for this crackback. Now, not a lot of movement, but you are at least getting the short. Thoughts on Grrr? Watch for a shelf crack if you have shorts available. Very slow play. I know it moved in pre-market, but that doesn't mean anything. It's all about what you do in market. So what have we done in market? 85 cents support, 92 cents resistance. That's not a lot of movement in 45 minutes. So again, if you do crack this 85 cent mark, imagine you probably only go down to 80 cents. You know, you probably won't go down too much, honestly. Over this VWAP, reclaiming it. You know, from like you haven't, you know, back from earlier, you can see you're riding up it, reclaiming the VWAP at 92 cents. Watch for the pop to 95 cents. Maybe back up to $1. Thoughts on swinging AMD calls, baby ghost? I would not. Not at all. Now, unless you're going for a bounce play or something, but then you need to go down further, would not. You know, Meta was a much better option. You know, like go back to, this is where you swing calls. This is the look of this is when you swing calls, boss. So, baby ghost, when you want to swing a play, it's on a daily U-shape, breaking back above a whole round number of 500 with the squeeze setup in pre-market, and you're in right here of the whatever, like a lot of my boys and gals in chat were yesterday in chat. That's a swing play. Cup in hand, swing play, right? Cup hand, whatever, swing play. AMD, yeah, no. Nope. Not happening. Nope. Don't do it. That's ugly. Meta was a swing. There went TCBP that to 315, but yes, TCBP. Yes, yeah. M shape up top too, as we talked about that downtrend right as it started coming back off of it. I was like, that's more of a downtrend now than even a channel anymore. You know, it's kind of because this booty cheek's lower than this booty cheek. You know, this you can see here the booty cheeks. When we talk about those booty cheeks, team. Now watch for a new small cap play to start taking charge, and it could be ACB. I know you guys have been talking about these cannabis plays for the past few days here. Over this $8 mark, ACB could be the all-day runner that we had yesterday. TCB, team, all-day runner on high watch here, over $8. Meta again off the VWAP. At least we know Meta and the VWAP is very strong and very great support. So once we crack the VWAP, we're like, okay, my VWAP's a little bit lower on TOS as well. My VWAP is a little bit lower on TOS. I'm giving the SPY 5 more minutes. I'm going to stick to my guns and my word to you guys. I'm going to give the SPY 5 because it's getting so tight. The SPY is it's either going to get a big reversal here off of this 9 in VWAP soon, or it's going to squeeze right through it. So SPY, I'm literally giving it about 5 more minutes of 20 after, then I'm cutting that play. Can't stand being in plays this long. Exactly why I don't trade. And look at AMD. Look at AMD for you. And the lower VWAP band continues to go down. Oh, that's gorgeous right there. Absolutely gorgeous work on AMD team if you took the trade. Apple new high of day. Did it finally squeeze through there, Marty? Yep, finally kind of getting to the one play I'm in. And this is why I do. So when you hear me bitch about the SPY team, and I got in on the crack area. We are cracking support. There's really nothing there. Now, did we candlestick confirm below it? No. Maybe that's my bad. But it's like, you gotta be kidding me, mate. That's why I just don't trade it. It's just too slow. Meta, got my eye on Meta. Here goes ACB. Here goes ACB. I just talked about this one. Here goes ACB team. Watch this one on through, I should say after hours highs and through 8. Gonna be most likely your all-day runner. Any stocks you want me to break down, let me know. I am your stock trading booby trap, yo. What you got, what you got, what you got? Hit me up. Getting close there for ACB. ACB getting close. ACB getting close here for you. Not sure why SPY. It's okay. It's all right, Marty Z. I laugh. I'm just like, you've got to be kidding me. Like I said, it's 90% of my trades. I'm going to win, you know what I mean? So it's like, hey, I'm going to have trades every once in a while. And I see, I'm like, what is this black thing I got on me here? I guess it's like permanent, like a Sharpie. I don't know what that is. It's all good, though. You know. I'll be fine. I'll be happy. Like, once Meta cracks, because I know it'll pay me out. But that's why I love, that's why I'm always happy, because I get these pre-market shorts that pay out right to the dot, which was cattle this morning for me, So I'm like, okay, I'm already up 2,200 or whatever it was, 2,150 on cattle this morning. So I'm up, almost $2,200 for the day. And now this is 45 minutes, or hell, at that point when I got out, it was an hour. I got out an hour before the opening bell. An hour before the opening bell is up 2K. Whatever, SPY. That's why I talk all the shit I do. Like, oh man, it's literally gonna be make or break right at my time too. Team, watch this. Oh, please reverse and beat me be right. Come on, reverse. Let me be right. I'm usually right. I'm right like 93% of the time. Come on, SPY, you an asshole. Come on. Do me right. Don't do me tight. Don't P Diddy me. That's the new term this week. Don't Diddy me. That's right. Don't be Diddying me. That ain't cool. I ain't about that life. All right? Not everyone signed up for that. Maybe you did. Maybe you signed the waiver to the devil himself forever ago. I didn't sign that damn waiver. Come on! I want my Cambodian goat's milk too. That's right, go. Get your ass down to Charlie Brown. Get on down there. Bad boy. Tink, tink. Go. We come out to play. Come on! You ain't Diddying me. I'm Thanos, motherfucker. I'm Thanos. You can't mess with me. How you gonna mess with me? I'm Thanos. Reverse, go. 2250. Just give me green. Don't do that to me. Possible head and shoulders for me. Yeah, I'm getting ready for Meta. I still have Meta on watch. Don't you worry. I still got Meta on watch. Did he? Come on. We're so close, team. Well, because of Theta, I'm obviously in the red here because of Theta, but still waiting for the crackback. Still just waiting, patiently waiting. We're at 20 after. We're at 20 after. Should I go ahead and take it? Should I just go ahead and take it, team, or should I hold longer? Should I hold? ACB. Thoughts on Mr. Let's go to Mr. It's a little choppier play today. It does move. It ranges really well. I know that. Let's go to 15 minute. I think Mister's going to probably squeeze up and hit around the 1765 mark, 1770 mark, somewhere in there. Somewhere in there, boss. I see Mister squeezing. It just looks like it wants to squeeze right here. So watch for this to pop up another 30, 40 bucks. Thomas, hold! I'll hold a little longer because it looks like we are about to finally crack, but I'm not going to hold too much longer. This damn son. Okay, you know what? It's on. It's just, it has to happen.
Until the roof comes on, until my leg get down from underneath me.
Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, pleading with your eyes, gonna make you some peace someday. You got mud on your face, big disgrace. Somebody better put your bag
Into your
place. We will rock you. Sing it. We will rock you. Everybody, we will rock you. We
Venom, adrenaline shots, the penicillin could not get the L in the stop. Amoxicillin just not filling up. The criminal cop killing, hip hop filling a minimal swap to cop millions of pop listeners. You're coming with me, feeling or not, you're gonna fear it. I got shows of the spirit of God lives in us. You hear it a lot, lyrics are shock. Is it a miracle or am I just product of pop? Listen up, this is my whistle, this is the plot. Listen up, you peasants for gods, listen to slack, give a fuck.
Comes up till the lights come out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. Am I high? I'ma rip this shit till my bone hurts. Till the room comes on, till the lights come out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. Am I high?
She's a good girl, loves her mom, loves Jesus, in America too.
Let's go!
Good girl, is crazy about
Come on!
animals, loves horses, and her boyfriend too.
Back in the green, baby! Back in the green, baby! Ah, baby, baby! I just took it, team. I just took it because I just got back in the green. I was like, I'm not waiting for this anymore. Free falling gets her every time, baby. Free falling gets her every time. Oh.
Breaking her heart. I'm free falling. Yeah, I'm free.
Every time free falling gets her. That's a spot. This is the one that's working. This is the one that works the best. Tomas, we've been playing Free Fallin' since 2022. That was actually the song we played every time I was in a short in 2022. I'm gonna bet right now by the time this song's over, we're gonna crack down some more.
Standing in the shadows, and the good girls, her home with broken hearts. I'm free.
Keep tumbling. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Where's Sky Chimp when you need him? Where's Sky Chimp when you need him? Sky Chimp's man is some Thomas Petty. Got the meta dump. Oh, did meta dump? Oh, no! No! It's one of those days. It's one of those days. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. And look what I told you about ACB. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Told you. Giovanni, yes. Giovanni, good. Yeah, Giovanni, I made about the same that you did. Because, like, I added in there a little bit more, and I'm like, I've got to get into this trade. Like, I added in a little bit more up top. But not much. I mean, I was only in 20 contracts, but still, I was like, man. Repeat. Let's see here. Almost, but yeah, like I barely made any money, and I was like, I don't care. I was just back in the green. That's when I finally did pull up my P&L for the options because I hate the options chain because the theta it kills you in the end. Yeah, they're all going down now. And that's when I first saw NVDA go down. Then I saw the SPY go down, and I'd missed Meta going down. So good job, Schwitzy. Yes, ACB. I would say somewhere right around there, Paula. Right here actually. Yeah, I mean pretty much what it just hit at. You know, it's really hard to tell, Paula, where it's at. I'd go more 860 right here. You know, where you can see a lot of confirmation. I say a lot. I mean, it's just hard to tell through there. I'd go 860 up to 9 though. 860 up to 9. We need a high alert chat. What's that mean? A high alert chat? What do you mean, like where I'm like putting my alerts of what you guys should be looking for to trade, baby boy? Is that what you mean? You got it, Hoops. Yeah, I was like, damn it, I missed Meta. I waited for Meta that whole time just to barely get back in the green on SPY. That's what I feel like typing in right now. That's what I feel like right now. No, for stuff like Meta. Gotcha. Yeah, you mean like in chat though, like something that where I can alert to you guys is what you mean? Like where I type it in? Is that what you mean though, boss? Like where I type out something and you're looking for it? Boy, today's been kind of shitty. I'm gonna say that. Today has not been that great. So we can alert. Oh, I got you. Yeah. I wish there was something you could. Right there would have been hard because I was so focused on the spot. They all cracked at the same time. That one I probably would not have been able to trade regardless because there's not two of me. I truly would have needed two of me to trade that because they literally cracked at the same time. I was sitting there staring at SPY. You know, it would have been really hard for me to then, you know what I mean? That would have been hard. I can be in two or three, even three trades at once. But the execution, the entries are happening at different times. Like say I'm already in SPY, right? And then Meta goes to new, I don't know, but it doesn't crack at the same time. So then I can actually enter Meta before or the SPY's already cracked like it was supposed to is my point. And I'm still in on my short like I wanted to be. And then Meta cracks. So then I can then enter Meta because I'm already in SPY and it's already, you know what I'm saying? Like, that was just hard to do. That'd have been hard. Makes my head hurt. 4 days on vacay, 4 days in the green. I'm out. Awesome. Hoops to trade. You're out for the day? You ain't gonna stick around for lunch? Or are you heading out for vacay is what you mean. You're heading out 4 days on vacay now. Beautiful though, brother. Beautiful, brother. Right now, my point being why I say today kind of sucks is because there were opening bell moves. Meta, Apple, or well, I think anyway, they were right after the opening bell, like NVDA. It's been really kind of crappy since then. There's not been a lot of setup team, I promise you, or I would be alerting them. I would be telling you, hey, this is what you need to trade. Even our Meta short that I've been waiting on only was a $2 crack so far. It's not like we're getting this massive 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, whatever moves today. It's just not happening. Lost boys, lost girls, what we got out there. Lost boys, lost girls. And hopefully you understand when I say that, y'all know what I'm referencing and you aren't truly lost. I don't know if you guys have ever watched Peter Pan, ever saw the movie Hook with Robin Williams, and know who the Lost Boys are, which, again, would be Peter Pan's buddies. That's us. We're hanging out together. We're the pack. We're different, you know? You're my lost boys and girls. Unfortunately. Oh, back to reality. Oh, you're on. Oh, so you've been 4 days. So you use 4 days of vacation to trade stocks is what you're saying and make some money to fully concentrate and bank, my man. Oh, but you were actually on vacation too. So not only banking, taking time off, but actually literally visiting. Where were you at? Where were you vacationing, my friend? Where were you visiting? Anything special? Watch real quickly for AMD team. AMD for the inverse head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders here starting to form. Shoulder, head. Now it's not fully formed yet. Could form right here. So watch for that to keep going around there. I had that on watch. That looks pretty nice. SPY, thank you for at least giving us some sort of the move and giving us down to a little bit of profit. Giovanni got some with me. I know anyone else finally. And that's why I held Marty Z. Do you see, team, where I held to my stop loss? Does that make sense? Did everyone like that? Why we stuck to our stop loss, gave it a little bit of time, right? Does that make sense? Y'all feel good about being able to be in a trade for 25 minutes or so and understand that we can stick to the stop loss and understand what our stop loss is and what it should be and what we're waiting for and still can come out profitable, right? Very easy stuff in my opinion. Just hard to attain and get to that level. It just is. But once you get there, you're just doing basic stuff. You're literally just saying, hey, this is where I connect the dots. Do this. Just don't do that. When I go to the bathroom and toilets, I'm bringing Comet and some Windex and 409 or whatever. I'm not bringing in cherry bombs and fireworks to throw down the toilet, to blow it up. That kind of wouldn't work, right? No, it wouldn't. I mean, I guess if I'm in school and I want to be Bart Simpson. Myrtle Beach. Awesome. That's all. I think I remember you saying something about that. I remember you saying something about that, Bosh. Do you play golf? Are you a basketball player that golfs? Because, man, I think of Myrtle Beach, I'm just thinking of that coast and gorgeousness and golf courses. Appreciate it, Marty Z. Because I know you're asking about it, Marty, so I wanted you to be able to see that and be able to sit through it. I agree with you. Hey, nuts. What's up, Mo? I saw you in here, Momo. 15-minute cannon. Nice. Yeah, good job, boss. What's up, Domino? Domino! You see, I'll give you kisses just here when you're... Our other Great Dane will make out. Like this is like our last girl, one of our other... Anyway. Funny Great Danes will either kiss you and make out like all the other dogs, or like they're very limited and only want to kiss you like here. Like they'll give you like 2 little small kisses and that's it. You were green on Spy. You should trade it more. Schwedzy. Yeah. Yeah. If it, and there are days, it moves more. I do, and I thought today was going to be one of those days. Honestly, here's the big thing though: the Spy's lower VWAP band. What's happening? It's a big telltale sign. It's just moving flat out. Now I thought we could chase it and get it. Maybe start making it move. I thought we could make the the lower VWAP band dance a little bit. I thought bands will make her dance. I was gonna put on a little, Juicy J, 2 Chainz, bands will make her dance. Didn't work. That boy's bands are not making her dance. This is not happening, bro. Yeah, your bands aren't big enough yet. What's up? Hopefully everyone having... Yeah, Mo trades. I only have 2 trades for the day so far. Cattle, my pre-market short of the morning, was a great, pre-market short right down to my $2 mark, which was great. Not a lot there, but got some meat on it. And then Spy. Just saw my second trade. I sat in for like 30 minutes here, 25 minutes waiting for that small pullback. That's it for now, man. Hopefully you had a nice day, though, boss. Up $2,200 now, thanks to Spy. I was up like $2,150. Now I'm up $2,200, I banked like $55-$70 on Spy. Watch out. Oh, man.
Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I only found a note to make me understand, I sing this softly in the ear.
Here we go. We'll do the clean version.
Strippers.
Mike Wilmer.
What happened to Mike Will? Is he still producing and making jams? It's like people get huge for a minute. And maybe they still in the background, but I just don't hear that in front of songs anymore, I should say. It's like that's all I used to hear back in the day, all kinds of front of songs. Bands tight across the board. Yes, they are. They're tight and moving sideways. And that could lead to sideways movement. I will go live a little bit longer. I know Deck's out, so I want to make sure you guys are covered this morning across the board, being that Deck's out, so there's not everyone going, from A to Z, small cap to large cap. So I'll keep you guys entertained and 100% informed on these plays. Under 178.85. We do have the lower VWAP band going down still on AMD. It's just so hard for me to want to chase this play because there's not a lot of momentum on these plays. Now, if we were getting at least $1, if not $2 dumps on these pullbacks, that's when I will come after a play that this low. The lower VWAP band, is even lower than it is now, and it starts to take off to the bottom side. But the fact that we're only getting these smaller moves down here now, like we crack this shelf, we go here. We crack this shelf, we only go, we're not getting that big of movement. And so we might get another maybe 50 cents to $1 in the end out of this bear flag. Any stocks you want me to break down, now is the time. Large cap, small cap, what do you got? Let me know. Meta, I'm not going to get after this now, but there is also another bear flag below the VWAP and the 9 EMA under the Thanos, or in the Thanos crossover right now is Meta. I wanted this trade to begin with, and I would have set in this trade. Again, I would have wanted this under that lower shadow of 1970. I would have pulled the trigger. So I feel like I'm chasing at this point now. But if you are still in or looking to get more meat on the bone and you don't care that if you feel like you're chasing, watch under 518. There is a little room left on that bone, plus that lower band is trying to move down yet a little bit more too. Ivana, I don't really know, man. Hey, team, I want to play this for you. Is anyone out there listening? I'm glad Ivana brought that up. I want to let you know how fucking, and sorry, I'm going to drop the F-bomb. I want to let you know how fucking precise these alerts are sometimes, and they're absolutely insane. Ahmed, as I talked about rock since earlier in, really about a month ago, literally almost a month ago on the dot, in April, or I should say in March. So overall here, over pre-market highs, watch for this pop up on Meta. Pre-market highs right now, we're at 516.75, over 516.75. Watch for a pop up to 518.75 and then to 520. So we could get a good pop to 518.75 to 520 day. The fact that we're up so high, I'll go 520 normal high of day. My ultimate, just from yesterday, my ultimate high of day will then take it to that all-time high and 52-week high, which we created back in March, which would be that pop up through 520 up to 523.50 area. 523.50 ultimate high of day for Meta. Mic drop.
All these cheeks poppin', I'm just poppin' bang. Bands that make a dance. Bands that make a dance. These cheeks clappin', and they ain't using hands. Joe Chain down. Oh, price, let me see that clap. Steady ovation, if your girl don't smoke, kids, man,
Just letting you know. Yeah, be killed. It's crazy sometimes. It's great. I don't even look. Team, if Ivana wouldn't have said that, I probably would have forgot. Or someone wouldn't have said, I probably would have forgot about it. But then they bring it up, and I'm like, oh yeah, I did say that, didn't I? What's up, other cousin? Okay, cousin Greg, other cousin. You guys always confuse me. Think ACB will hold up? Or are we ready for a crackdown to support Ethan? There goes AMD too, by the way. ACB, not ACM. I'm combining two tickets now. ACB. Ooh, that is a nice upper shadow on the daily so far too. If this gets back below, not only after hours, we're going to bounce off of these, I bet. We're trying to. If this gets back below after hours highs, below 775, yeah, you're going to see a good pullback down to yesterday's high of day of 740. If we crack 740, the run may be done. Now, again, we'll see because these canvas plays can get momentum for quite a while. But I would say back under 775 and 780, you're going to see a good pullback back down to around 745, 740. Maybe 760 holds up in that upper shadow, right? You can see in pre-market, blah, blah, blah. But I think you'd work your way back down into the meat and potatoes of the candles. Not just jump in now because you think. You've got to see the chart and read the chart. Yeah, Ray, everything is a little choppy. A little choppy. Yeah, Yvonne, I wish I'd take those sometime. Now, and I will say, it's not out of the question yet that I am fully right on Meta. Meta still could make new high of day. But as of right now, I appreciate it. Right? Yeah, you like that one, Love Chip. I mean, come on, it's a good one. Twerking area, yeah, right. Should be right? Yeah, right. Love it, cousin Greg. No, I appreciate it. No, like I said, it's not like, I don't know, and it is weird sometimes how like precise those alerts are, but it just comes back from charting team, and what I'm doing is not only using the 15-day, 15-minute time frame. And I've gotten better. It's not like you're just going to all of a sudden you're going to get it tomorrow using the 15-day, 15-minute. I've been doing this for years, and I've been doing the 15-day, 15-minute for over a year, and I've been doing it for everyone in chat every day, multiple tickers, 10 plus every day for almost a little over half a year now, right? And so if I've been plugging away for 7 years now, so I've got that under the belt and know charting really well. Then over the last year, I've been using that 15-day, 15-minute to really hone in on these large caps. And then for the past half year plus, I've been doing 10-plus tickers a day. Every morning, breaking them down. I'm understanding where these stocks are going to move and go to. I see what we did the day before. What is the potential for the next day? What have we been doing for the past few 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 days? Are we moving $3 or $4, $5 in a day? Are we moving $15, $20, $30 in a day? You can get a concept and grasp of where these plays are going to go to for the most part. Using that, and again, it's just due diligence. Now, yes, I think for some reason, I don't know what it is, my foresight, my intuition is stupid. I don't get it. It's weird. It just is what it is. Whatever. I don't care. I mean, I care. I love it, but it's really annoying. I mean, at times because I wish I could take plays like Meta. Like, you were so right. Why didn't you short? Like, hey, ultimate high of day, 53.50. We will be shorting now. And maybe you'll get to that point where and have a literally alert set in on TOS and maybe just trade set in. Like, hey, meta's hitting blah, 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 53.50. I'm taking the short now, team, you know. Because I've always said, and we've seen it, if meta then gets over that level, we usually typically just fly. Well, this, you know, today, point in case, we literally closed and opened. We didn't candlestick confirm over. We candlestick confirmed right at it. I mean, like right at it. And then, boom, right on down we came, and then eventually down even more. So, I promise you, though, team, if you need any help with the opening bell, sign up for those morning alerts. This is why I'm doing them. I can't trade everything. There's no way I'll ever be able to. But what I can do is help you guys trade the rest of this stuff that I'm not. You know, if you need help, I'm telling you, sign up for those alerts. They're only going to get better. They're going to get to a point where half to 75% every single day I'm hitting them on the dot. It's probably not that high yet. It's getting pretty close, though. I mean, there were times where I'm like, man, I hit half the plays a day. So that's why I'm doing my best I can to alert for you guys, because I can't trade them all. I want you guys to bank. I love hearing when you guys bank. Love it. Any thoughts for AULR for a short? ALUR for Mrs. New England Trader. Oh, now this has moved up. Now we've moved here, baby. Okay. Forgot what that other one was you asked about earlier that wasn't moving too much, like the TGVN, I think it was, or something along those lines, TVGN. This one's moved. Now, I don't know what that one's done as of yet. This one's got a good chart. We've moved up. We've got some range now from 2 to 4. We also have a trend line at the VWAP. So that's where I shorted at. Dang, it's hard to borrow. I was hoping it may be easy to borrow on Thinkorswim. They're cheap, though. They are some cheap shares. Cheap shorts. I would watch for a short under this 340 mark. Watch for the trend line to VWAP crack. Short this under the VWAP. New England Trader. Candlestick confirmation. 1 minute time frame. I'll come in here and show you the trend line on the 1 minute time frame. Still use the 1 minute on this play 100%. Trend line to VWAP crack. Wait for that VWAP to crack. If you want to get in ahead of time, just be careful to know that VWAP has to crack. Once the VWAP cracks, you know, you're at that level. The only thing I'd worry about is right about this 25 to right about through there. Right through here. Other than that, boom, it's right on down to 312, 310. And then down to 3 and 290, 285. Trend line to VWAP crack. Love it. This is odd. I shorted ACB at 823, then I said a limit order to take profit 720. I got filled when it went down, but my chart shows it only got to 786. Huh. Schwitzy, I don't know, man. The spread is the only thing I can think of, Schwitzy. Spread's the only thing I can think of, Schwitzy. And someone filled your order, but usually that would mean the chart would show that. So I don't know. And I think I almost said chart. I think I almost said chart there. Oh, and TGVN did run down. So TGVN or TVGN, that was a good. So again, this, and I'm honestly surprised that it actually cracked it as well as it did. This was the short I almost alerted to you to. New England Trader was like, watch under 4.5. I would just be worried about 420 and then 4. You know, that'd be your targets. And sure enough, it came down to 420, popped back up. It's so funny after I alerted to you that it's not running too technical. Because see, it's a little wonky. It literally started running technically sound once volume moved into it. Don't you see why I love volume? You crack 4, you come down, you test 4. Or my bad. 450. And this is beforehand. You finally crack 450 and you come back up. See this little shelf at 450? Touched and you touched. This one's not quite at it. And you could have even said that at 465. Crack 465, came up, touched it, failed at it, came down. That started running technically sound literally right as the opening bell came. Do you see that? That's what I love. That's what you're looking for, New England Trader. This is what you're looking for. That's exactly what I was looking for. In pre-market, wasn't getting it. But this is what you got in market. See how you have a support area? Watch this. Support, crack, retest support, fail. That's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful, New England Trader, anyone else that's looking. Absolutely gorgeous. You can't even beat that. Let's see here. Nick, what? I see your insight doesn't annoy me. Myron, well, Myron, it just annoys me sometimes just because I wish I would take more of the trades that I'd actually alert. Nick, what do you think about a dip by 745 ACB? I look at past resistance from... Yeah, I like that. I brought that up just a little bit ago, baby boy. Right about right here. Let's go to ACB. Where am I looking? Yeah, right here. So like right here. You know, you're right there. If I put my crosshairs in, 100%. Yep. That's the one I'd be. If you're looking for a play, I would go 745 to the VWAP. Why VWAP? Also pre-market, you know, resistance, fail, that big reversal fail, and the VWAP's there. So I'd go 755 to 745. This area, somewhere in here, has got to bounce. If that does not bounce, this thing will just dump away. And really could at that point turn red for the day. And then if a trader see a red upper shadow, nasty candle at the top of that chart, this will probably have that multi-day pullback back down into the fives, if not the fours. Really? I had a feeling wouldn't do anything today. TCBP, yucky, bye. Trendline crack on AULR. Again, trendline crack to VWAP crack on high watch here. The only thing I'd be worried about is this shelf at 355. So if you do get candlestick confirmation, know that you only have room down to that VWAP in 340. Once that cracks, that's where this really could get yummy. What's up, Taylor Trader? Past resistance becomes new support. Yes, yes, yes. Nick Gurry got it. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, that's cool. It went down that eventually. Nice short. Good job, Switzy. Good job, Switzy. Yep, and it did. It did. Now we're after looking at it for sure. It's down there now. You definitely got the 760s now, but yeah, good short, boss. Did you get the trend line crack? That overextended trend line on it? I don't know where you got in at, but I can see a trend line crack there up top. Entered the on the 1 minute time frame. Entered the 9 EMA. Thanos crossover, whatever you want to call it. Queenie, leave Groot alone. Put the shelf in. Boop. Bop. All right, there we go. There's our channel right there, team. And we're starting to form a little bit of a downtrend like we formed on TCBP earlier. And TCBP did what? TCBP did what? We cracked OLED. We cracked. Got to get back above that downtrend on TCBP. Any stocks you want me to break down, team, let me know. Cross of the 9, got you. You liking using that, Schwitzy? Are you liking using that little 9 EMA cross? It's pretty nice, isn't it? It's pretty nice, I like. What's up, baby girl? I know, I'll let you out in a minute, I know. I gotta let my pack out again, team. It's always in the morning. You know how dogs are. They go once, but then they gotta go. They're like, okay, I went, but I kind of have to go again. Very nice. This is my brother Bilo. She is my wife. This is my wife. All right, team. Again, here's my Instagram and YouTube. If you do not follow me on Instagram or YouTube, go do it. Subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram. You're gonna get so much information on stock trading, and you'll get some cool other posts and videos as well. Lessons, one-on-one information, how I trade, interviews with other traders, recaps of my trades and the day. You name it, team. It's all over there on Instagram and YouTube. Real quickly, what do we got here? Torn Trader, AMD crack 179, next level 128.25. Let's get on it, AMD team. We got it here. We got about a $50 crack coming up. There you go, Torn Trader. There you go, man. It just happened right after you alerted it to me, boss, too. It just happened. 178.25. There you go, man. Let's go back to it. Let me go a little bit further out so I can see this better. Hold on, girls. I'm almost done. Can you give me a minute? They get all antsy and they're pantsy. This next line is going to be 177.65. So the next line of support, just so everyone knows, what I would have in is 177.65 on AMD. Nice short today. Nick, how many cents would you give us from 74 to sell? Meaning if it breaks 75, at what point would you sell if I got to 7? Gotcha. You mean like like a target essentially, baby boy? So targets for ACB under that VWAP or break, yeah, whatever you want to call it. We'll just say the VWAP. We crack through this area that you're looking for, ACB, and you're going for a short, right? Yeah, you're going for a short and it cracks this area. I would be locking up at Honestly, my target would be around 710 to 7. I'm looking at charting. I'm always looking at where it's probably going to bounce at next. It's probably going to bounce at around $7.10 to $7, somewhere in here, $6.90. That would be your target. So if we crack this in $7.45, take some profit anywhere from $7.15 to $7. Anywhere from here down. Anywhere from pre-market lows down through to $6.95ish or so. Lower VWAP band on ACB is at 651. It's going up, though, so it probably won't ever touch it, honestly. Got that, Nick? 715 to 7 is your lockup zone, 100% on that crack. Oh, going for a buy. Oh, so you mean like a stop loss. So you mean like a stop loss. Stop loss, not targets, but stop loss. Okay. So same thing. Yeah, I just go down and say, hey, I'm not done. Domino, not done yet. I know you love this toy, but hold on, I'm almost done. I would go stop loss, pre-market low, 720. Yeah, somewhere right around 720. But I always base it off of what's my target. So say if you want to go long here from this area, and your target's 805. So you've got 50 cents. No, ma'am. You've got 50 cents that you want to go up. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Not yet. I'm still talking over here. You'll get it in a minute, baby girl. I would go, okay, I've got 50 cents to go up. Whatever your entry ends up being, just say if it is 745, you want to go down 20 cents from 745 and go, cool. Find something in charting, which I see pre-market lows. You know, that's what I would be. So, yes, some right around 725 would be what I'd, 720, 725. You're all over it, boss. You are all over it, honestly. Now it depends on it depends on your target, but that would be about like right now, and you may have kind of missed the bounce right or whatever, but that's your target, hitting right at it. You know, then okay, whatever my entry was, I just go down and do the math, find something in charting that says, okay, if it gets below 725, I'm out. Okay, maybe I'll give it to pre-market lows of 7, or I'm out. Cousin Greg read an article yesterday, not sure if author is credible, who stated that Tesla should eventually be a $14 stock. He had some reasoning, but that seems a bit extreme. Yeah, I would say so. Now, I think what he's looking at is stuff like this. I think he's looking at stuff like this. Where RIVN, let's just go back to it. You know, RIVN, when it first came out, we were running all over the place. And, this is going to be... Look, you can see I was even trading it, in 2022. But they call that trend line. You see what I'm saying? So I think he's got some reasoning. But those companies aren't run by, or I say run, but, Elon Musk is still pretty much, the forefront of what people see on Tesla. I just don't see that happening, to be honest. I just don't see that happening. Now, maybe it does, and I would be a little surprised if it did, but that means electronic vehicles aren't what anyone thought they were or what they're worth. And they should start selling them for a lot cheaper. Alert, did it finally start dropping? Oh, here we go. What did I say this reminded me of? What did I say this reminded me of? What did I say this reminded me of? So easy. Yes, and again, New England trader, great alert, right? Exactly, Myron. That's why I love traders and you guys coming to chat. That's why I say alert, ask me questions, because then other people make money sometimes. And I probably should have traded it because it was freaking nothing to borrow. I do that from you guys. I'm like, oh, thanks, sweet, thanks. Like, sweet short opportunity. You just made people money, New England Trader. New England Trader. Get freaking goosebumps right now. Get freaking your heart warm. Get going. You just made people money in chat. What? I'm listening to my favorite Linkin Park song of all time. Not my. This is up there. God, I love this song. Farthest side of night today. Something inside I write today. All that I got left. Oh my good gosh, good job there. Good job. No way I was gonna and you're gonna quit today, New England Trader, and look at that. There's no reason to ever quit this. You can't quit yourself. You quit yourself, you quit life. You quit life, you might as well just get a knife. That was terrible. No, don't do that. Just kidding. Don't quit, New England Trader. Look at that. Look at this. This is what we're looking for though, right? Bam, 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 bam. This is beautiful, boo. This is what we're looking for. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch, 6 touch, right? 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch. However you want to word it. 5 touches on a trend line that lasts an hour. Every time. Every time. Short it. Short it. Find a shelf of support like I just did up top. Look at this. What's this read of? Downtrend. Squeezing into support in the VWAP in a trend line. What did that remind you of? Oh, TCBP. Trend line. Squeezing into a wedge. It's happened twice. Happened twice in about an hour. Beautiful. Trader J, right? This song is so stupid. Oh, baby. Good job, other cousin, if you got ACB. Good job, ACB, if you got that one, boss. Beautiful bounce. And you better not quit. I love it. Can't quit. That's why I'm here for you, New England Trader. That's why I'm here for you. I love this part of the song, too, by the way. Don't get inside your head, team! That's what he's saying. Don't get inside your head. That's what happens in stock trading. Don't do it. Trendline to VWAP crack. You know Myron. You know my hasn't ever, I don't think it ever has lost ever in its life. A trendline to VWAP crack. Ever. My mom is that one that can't go. I've not come across the band Lilac. Lilac. Let's take a listen. Oh, look at the girls jamming. Nice. Who's this little kid? The hell? Who are these? Brothers and sisters? This has got to be a family. I just want to hear this. I want to hear the piano guy go. There he is. Come on, piano guy. Give me a riff. Just, here we go. Okay, I knew guitar first, sure. And I sing to the wind of the voices in the forest. We jump, we jump, we jump with the lions and the bears, and the eagles soar above. forget about this. Okay, I think everyone's done with that. Well, at least me singing. All right, team. Yeah, I know she's back here just playing her ass off. That's why I took the ball away from her. Hold on, I'm almost done for real this time. I promise. All right, team. I'm almost done for the morning. I went a little bit longer, and I'm glad we did. New England Trader, you honestly just killed everybody in chat with a beautiful alert. Hopefully everyone took some part in that. And if you didn't, you at least saw what we were looking for there. And a trend line to shelf crack through the VWAP remains undefeated. It's a beautiful trade right there. Hopefully made some money, New England Trader. Anyone else in chat, Kurt, jam it away. But good trade right there. I know Myron got some money right there as well. So beautiful, beautiful trade. Reminds me of TCBP. Watch for it to eventually kind of wind its way down even more possibly. It seems like the one small cap play, and I talked about it earlier, if it got over yesterday's high and then holds, and we're trying to do that, holding over yesterday's high and blah, 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 you can see here, if we hold, this might be that all-day runner like we were yesterday. So keep ACB on watch. I will, 100%. And then I'll go over here to the SPY and keep the SPY on watch for you guys. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, never mind. Wow. Whoa. Look at that sideways movement, team. Holy moly. AMD. Oh, almost down to my 77.65 mark. Cattle, new high of day. How about, yeah, you could go there, but the fact that this is the only small cap play moving that was moving in pre-market, I would just be careful with cattle shorting at that high of day. Peter, I know, I'm almost done, buddy. Now my pit bull is just, he's doing like the little, whatever the hell you want to call it over here. Where the hell is cattle at? Have I looked at that many tickers? It finally went away. The upper VWAP, I just want to show you this. The upper and lower VWAP bands are starting to expand, so I wouldn't short the top on cattle if I can type. I wouldn't short the top on cattle. You can if you want to. These bands are starting to expand. So what happens, it'll look like it's a great short, and it'll come down to like 245. And then, boom, it's right back up to 260. And then comes down, and then boom, and it kind of keeps doing that, and then flies up to $3. I would go with the trend line to VWAP crack on cattle to be safe. You want to be safe? You want to make money that's easy and free and stress-free? That's the money I like to make. That's where I would short it. Just because of those bands are starting to expand. All right, Lost Boys, Lost Girls, anyone else still out there with any last questions? I'm taking the break until lunch commentary. I know Deck's not going to be around today, so what I'm going to do is probably go live a little bit later for lunch. I'm not going to start at noon Eastern. Would y'all rather me start later or do the normal lunch? Go ahead and just type it in there in chat. We'll do a quick little poll in chat. Would you rather me start later and do later lunch or afternoonish commentary, or would you want the regular lunch commentary? What do you want today? ALUR support. I would say honestly right now the best support's right around 290. There's a little bit here at 310, New England Trader, a little bit at 310, but there's more at 290. More at 290, and I have a feeling this will be a magnet to 290, girl. Man, baby girl. New England Trader, I ain't letting you quit on me. We gonna root for them Patriots. You know, we got the next quarterback coming in. We gonna get this, girl. We got Boston Celtics looking for a championship this year. We ain't giving up. I'm coming up to Boston actually in July. We can come to Blink 182 with me at Fenway Park. I'm gonna teach you some stocks while we watch Blink. Hold on, Domino, I'm almost done. Hold on, Dommy, please. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? I told you! 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 Told you! What did I say? Huh? What did I say? Watch this keep going. Now watch it fail and come back down. Let's see. After lunch better. Okay, afternoon. Cool. I want the Magic Mike commentary. Not sure about anyone. Okay. We can go. Oh, watch it fail now. Watch it fail. Watch it be. But I'm telling you, those upper bands, I'm going to say it still does what I do. Or what I said. It's going to come down. You think it's a good short. And it is a decent short. But then it's going to come back up and keep flying. Saying until. Gotcha. 1,000. Oh, whoa, New England Trader. Whoa, look at you, girl. You go, girl. 367. AC, or yes, I should say for AULR. I want to see that you get out at 290, anything below 3. And I want to hear you come over to chat here in a minute, and you just boastful as can be. You just can't even imagine how happy you are. Lost Boys, Lost Girl, I am taking a lunch break now. The little, whatever you want to call it. I say it's a lunch break. It's whatever you want to call it. A little small break until I go live for afternoon. I'll figure out what time I want to go live for afternoon commentary. I'll try to, maybe like 2 p.m. Eastern, so an hour later than I normally do. I usually go live at 1 p.m. Eastern. I'll look to go live maybe at 2 p.m. Eastern today instead and work our way into Power Hour. Sound good? Lost boys, lost girls, be careful shorting at you. I mean, I should say cattle. Be careful shorting cattle. I'm telling you, be careful. I'll see you back here essentially in 3 hours. 3 hours from right now for afternoon commentary. I'll be around. I'm in and out of chat, not going anywhere during lunch. If you need anything, lost boys, lost girls, it's been a great day. Cattle, I try to tell you not to short it, and so far I'm kind of right. It kind of keeps going back and forth. AULR, thank you so much. New England Trader for alerting that great short that everyone just got, and you're still banking like I told you you would. Meta, people made some money not only at the opening bell, but on the reversal back on down. Spy, we made a little money. Anyway, have a great rest of your morning and lunch, team. I'll see you back here in about 3 hours for afternoon commentary. In 3, 2, 1, and...
As soon as you are ready,
Bangarang!
on
the brink of the table.
Waiting here for you to take and drink of. So if you're tired of the same I'll be here when you are ready to roll with the changes.
back, sweet sinners in the front. Cruising down the freeway in the hot, hot sun. Suddenly red blue lights flash us from behind. Loud voice booming, please step out onto the line. Ballet bridge words of comfort, Cena just hides her eyes. Policeman taps the shades, is that a Chevy 69? How bizarre. How bizarre, how bizarre. Destination unknown as we're pulling for some gas. Officially placed a poster, reveals a smile from the pack. Elephants and acrobats, lion, snakes, monkey. Billy speaks righteous, Sister Cena says funky. How bizarre. How bizarre, how bizarre.
Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. It's making me crazy. It's making me crazy. Every time I look around. Every time I look around.
Every time I look around.
Every time I look around. It's in my face.
Ringmaster stiffs up, says the elephants left town. People jump and jive and the clowns are stuck around. TV news and cameras, there's choppers in the sky. Marines, police, reporters ask where, for and why. Billy yells, we're out of here. Cena says right on. Making moves and starting grooves before they knew we were gone. Jumped into the Chevy, headed for big lights. Wanna know the rest? Hey, by the rights. How bizarre. How bizarre, how bizarre.
Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. It's making me crazy. It's making me crazy. Every time I look around. Every time I look around.
Every time I look around.
Every time I look around. It's in my face. It's in my face. It's making me crazy. It's making me crazy. Every time I look around. Every time I look around.
Every time I look around.
Every time I look around. It's in my face. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. It's making me crazy. It's making me crazy. Every time I look around. Every time I look around. Every time I look around. It's in my face.
A man walks down the street, he says, why am I so...
What? Sorry, just quickly.
I just came to say hello.
You didn't cut me off. Think I like it never happened before we were nothing. And I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and I feel so rough.
Hey! Raindrop, drip, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey! I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you with the shit. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
Gangnam Style.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Love is the best place to find lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hands up and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of that mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. 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 We ain't ever getting older.
When I met you in the summer,
Maybe heaven right now is a devil or angel away. That won't change. Together we vow that our colors will sparkle to fade. And I will find you. I will find you. I will reach you. I will lose my mind.
Surely we can be friends. I know so much about you. You blocked me on Facebook, and now you're going to die.
Do you recall, not long ago, we would walk on the sidewalk? Innocent, remember, all we did was care for each other. But the night was warm, we were bold and young. All around the windows, we were only ones to let go. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on.
This right here is my type of party. 5 more hours, we just getting started. 5 more hours, we just getting started. Let me see that booty. Don't stop, turn that up, take it higher. Tear this mother up, start a riot. Don't stop, 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 stop,
All the time to keep you off my mind. All the time to keep you off my mind. Spend my days locked in a haze, trying to forget you, babe. I fall back down, gotta stay high all my life to forget I'm missing you.
How the girl even get in here? Do you see her? She's so short and that dress is so tacky. Who wears cheetah? It's not even summer. Why is the DJ keep on playing Summertime Sadness? After you're down to the bathroom, can we go smoke a cigarette? I really need one. But first, let me take a selfie.
Now stop.
I bet y'all having a good time out there.
I got this feeling on a summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched, I let it burn. I threw your shit into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. Always be my ritual.
Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom. Never gave up.
La gente está muy loca.
Baby, I'm wasted. All I wanna do is drive home to you, baby. I'm faded. All I wanna do is take you downtown.
When I came to Spain and I saw people partying, I thought to myself, what the fuck, what the fuck? All day, all night, all day, all night.
When I walk on by, girls be looking like damn fly. I pimp to the beat, walking down the street and my new was free. Yeah, this is how I roll. Animal print pants out control. It's Red Bull with the big ass ball, and like Bruce Lee, I got the clout. You see, I know the stress I've been through all that. I'm like a Marlboro man, so I keep going back. Wish I could go on back to that old town road. I wanna ride till I can't. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
And I don't know whether he was really saying it. All he kept saying was eat, sleep, rave, repeat, eat, sleep, rave, repeat, eat, sleep, rave, repeat, eat, sleep, rave.
So you give me no reason for me to stay close to you. Tell me what love is still. How are we still breathing? It's never for us to choose. I'll be the strength in you. I'm holding on, I'm holding on. Yourself was never enough for me. Gotta be so strong. Cause I'm powering what you do now. Every other day I'm watching you. If it does nobody, all we both do tomorrow. Is the only reason you're holding me tonight. We'll get
But swimming in your water, something spiritual. I'm born again every time you spend the night. 'Cause your sex takes me to paradise. Yeah, your sex takes me to paradise. And it shows. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven.
She bought my MP3, and so I put her number in my Bose BB.
Brother, there's an endless road to rediscover. Hey, sister, know the water's sweet, but blood is thicker. Oh, the sky comes falling down for you. There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do. The Harlem
Been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. And she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Goo-goo, goo-goo, goo-goo. Oh, I want something just like this. Goo-goo, oh, I want something just like this.
Things we used to do and used to be. I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free. Do you think about me when the crowd is gone? It used to be so easy, you and me. I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free. This
life.
I don't need a handle, even when the night is cold. I got that fire in my soul. I don't need anything to get me through the night, except the beat that's in my heart. Yeah, it's keeping me alive. I don't need anything to make me satisfied, 'cause the music does me good, and it gets me every time.
Under control.
Just let me know. Can you be the one to hold and not let me go? I need to know. Could you be the one to go when I lose control? When I lose control. 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 Could you be the one to go when I lose control?
Barbara Streisand. Barbara Streisand. Barbara Streisand.
I made no promises. I can't do golden rings, but I'll give you everything. Magic is in the air. There ain't no science here, so come get your everything. I made no promises. I can't do golden rings, but I'll give you everything. Magic is in the air. There ain't no science here, so come get your everything. Let's do it tonight. Somebody say
shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it.
And that's how it is now. Rocking it now. Long, all night long, all night long now. You better get on and down to it now. Get in the rhythm now.
I said y'all having a good time out there. Don't stop the party. Get over in la fiesta. Don't stop the party.
To the money makers in the place to be.
Get over in la fiesta. Don't stop the party.
To the sexy people in the place to be.
Get over in la fiesta. Don't stop the party.
Yelling timber, you better move, you better dance. Let's make a night you won't remember. I'll be the one you won't forget.
But if you close your eyes,
I've been watching you, you've been hurting too. You give all your love, nothing left to show. I have been there too, alone in my despair, watching life go by, no one who to share. Boy, you got it bad, but I got something good. I want to make you good in every way, yeah. You will never feel alone, my touch is such a rush, it all overflows. I will give to you the love you seek and more. So what are you waiting for? I will give to you the love you seek and more. I will give to you the love you seek and more. So what are you waiting for? I will give to you the love you seek and
You said that we would always be. Without you, I feel lost at sea. Through the darkness, you'd hide with me. Like the wind, we'd be wild and free. You said you'd follow me anywhere. But your eyes tell me you won't be there. I gotta learn how to love without you. I gotta carry my cross without you. Stuck in a riddle and I'm just about to
you're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over.
If it feels right and in from my heart, if you feel like it, take me away and make it okay. I swear I'll behave.
Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get a wave. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, let's go get it down. The sound, yes I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'ma blow all my money and don't give two shits. I'm on the floor, I love to dance. So give me more, till I can't stand. Get on the floor, like it's your last chance. If you want more, then here I am. Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop 'cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time.
Cause you knew that I'd call you up. You've been going around every party in LA. Cause you knew that I'd be at one. Oh, I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. And now I'm all up on you, what you expect. You're not coming home with me tonight. You just want us dancing, 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 dancing,
to believe we were burning on the edge of something beautiful, something beautiful. Selling a dream, smoking mirrors keep us waiting on a miracle, on a miracle. They go through the darkest of days, having to heartbreak away. Never let you go, never let me down. Oh, it's been a hell of a ride, driving the edge of a night.
Something in you lit up heaven in me. The feeling won't let me sleep, 'cause I'm lost in the way you move, the way you feel. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities, I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities, I look like all you need.
But shit, it was 99 cents.
shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how your bullets make us say. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am I'll be better when you're gone.
My mama called, seen you on TV. Sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard for that hard to vacation. They ain't never had a dedication. People hate and say the change and look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind. Cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits. I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier.
parla miezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna, quando dovrei pensare già io. Papà l'americano.
Come on, girl, shake that thing, bitch. And I gotta take that thing, bitch. And I better take that thing, yeah. Don't and Rebecca, woman, get busy. Just stay and put it on top when the beat drop. Just get swinging it, get busy, get busy. Come on, girl, shake that thing, bitch. And I gotta take that thing, bitch. And I better take that thing, yeah. Don't and Rebecca, woman, get busy. Just stay and put it on top when the beat drop.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took at me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the hopes for a living, shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing, fearing all the time, but I always had a vision, always had hopes.
You've been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I knew that I called you up. You've been going round every party in LA. Cause you knew that I knew that I'd be at one. I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. Hey, and now I'm all upon you. What you expect? But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. You just want attention. Do it from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. Run around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I knew that I'd call you up. Baby, now that we're this is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you and me. And now I'm all up on you, what you expect? But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. You just want attention, do it from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. What are you doing? Tell me what are you doing? What are you doing, ma? What are you doing? Tell me what are you doing? Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now? Under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Under the tree. The monster's running wild inside of me. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. These shallow waters never met what I needed. I'm letting go, a deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Under the bright but faded lights, you set my heart on fire. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Under the tree. The monster's running wild inside of me. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded.
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space. And when you're out there without care, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Pussy, please. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy?
But baby, I'm crazy. Baby, I'm crazy. Baby, we're crazy. Probably. But baby, I'm crazy. Baby, I'm crazy. Baby, we're crazy. Honestly, what will become of me? Don't like reality. It's way too clear to me, but really, life is dandy. We are what we don't see. Miss everything, daydreaming. Flames to dust, lovers to friends. Why do hope this come to an end? Flames to dust, lovers to friends. Why do hope this come to an end? Come to an end, come to an end. Why do hope this come to an end? Come to an end, come to an end. Why do hope this come to an end? Why do all this come to an end? Come to an end, come to an end. Why do all this come to an end? Flames to dust, lovers to friends. Why do hope this come to an end? Flames to dust, lovers to friends. Why do hope this come to an end? I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. Whoa. I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on a prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up, I feel it in my bones, enough to make my systems blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, 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 radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, 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 radioactive, radioactive. I raise my flags, down my clothes. It's a revolution, I suppose. We're painted red to fit right in. Whoa, I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on a prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up, I feel it in my bones, enough to make my systems blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, 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 radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, 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 radioactive, radioactive. All systems go. The sun hasn't died. Deep in my bones, straight from inside, I'm waking up. I feel it in my bones, enough to make my systems blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine.
Took a ride to the end of the lane where no one ever go. Ended up on a broken train with nobody I know. But the pain and the longing's the same when you're dying. Now I'm lost and I'm screaming for help. Relax, take it easy. For there is nothing that we can lose. Take it easy. Blame it on me or blame it on you. It's as if I'm scared. It's as if I'm terrified. It's as if I'm scared. It's as if I'm playing with fire. Scared. It's as if I'm terrified. Are you scared? Are we playing with fire? There is an answer to the darkest times. It's clear we don't understand it, but the last thing on my mind is to leave you. I believe that we're in this together. Yeah, don't scream. There are so many roads left. Relax, take it easy. For there is nothing that we can lose. Take it easy. Blame it on me or blame it on you. Take it easy. For there is nothing that we can lose. Take it
I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to turn to. This all or nothing way of loving got me sleeping without you. I need somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to have, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you help me escape. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved.
If you're going to San Francisco, be sure to wear some flowers in your hair. If you're going to San Francisco, you're gonna meet some gentle people there. If you're going to San Francisco, be sure to wear some flowers in your hair. If you're going to San Francisco, you're gonna meet some gentle people there. If you're going to San Francisco, be sure to wear some flowers in your hair. If you're going to San Francisco, you're gonna meet some gentle people there. The kisses of the sun were sweet, I didn't blink, I let it in my eyes. Like an exotic drink, the radio playing songs that I have never heard, I don't know what to say. Oh, not another word, just la 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 la. It goes around the world, just la 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 la. It's all around the world, just la 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 la. And everybody's singing la 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 la. And now the bells are ringing all around the world. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. It's all around the world. Inside an empty room, my inspiration flows. Now wait to hear the tune. Around my head it goes a magic melody. You wanna sing with me, just la 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 la. The music is the key, and now the night is gone. Still it goes on and on, so deep inside of me. I long to set it free, I don't know what to do. Just can't explain to you, I don't know what to say. Oh, not another word.
doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years, no calls, and now we're looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older. We ain't never getting older. Getting older. You look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink 182 song that we beat to death in Tucson. Okay, I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years, no calls, and now we're looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. Getting older. We ain't never getting older. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older.
It's 4 a.m. I can't turn my head up. Wishing these memories will fade, they never do. Turns out people lied. They said just snap your fingers, as if it was really that easy for me to get over you. I just need time. Snapping 1, 2. Where are you? You're still in my heart. Snapping 3, 4. I need you here anymore. Get out of my heart. 'Cause I'm rising up. I'm writing a song, so this is the last one. How many last songs are left? I'm losing count. Since June 22nd, my heart's been on fire. I've been spending my nights in the rain trying to put it out. Snapping 1, 2. Where are you? You're still in my heart. Snapping 3, 4. I need you here anymore. Get out of my heart. 'Cause I'm rise up. Oh, oh. 'Cause I'm rise snap. Oh, oh. And if one more person says you should get over it, I'ma stop talking to people before I snap, snap, snap. I'ma stop talking to people before I snap. Snapping 1, 2. Where are you?